Embarrassing? Maybe, but totally normal. Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? The sound is called borborygmi, caused by your intestines pushing air and fluid around. It's your digestive system staying active. And guess what? It doesn't just happen when you're hungry. Your gut gurgles all day, even after a meal. Some foods cause louder growls than others, especially if they create gas or move quickly through the gut. So next time your stomach speaks up, just smile. It means things are working. Like, share, and subscribe to Mindful Ape for more curious body facts.